Many people ask me one question: why do you have a smile on your face all the time? Actually, friends, they want to know what is the secret of my happiness. Friends, it's really piece of cake. I just use three rules in my life and which I made many years ago. First, I never expect anything from anybody. Second, I always try to do help other and without any expectation. And last, I always try to do right things in my life. I know doing right things are hard things. But friends, I was quite different before 2001. I had a tendency to get help from other people. I would think that people would help me. So this type of expectation I had. But something happened in 2001 and that changed my life. And I made these rules in 2001. And after applying these three rules in my life, and my friends, my relatives, they could see significant changes in my life, in my behavior, in my attitude. And I just started making progress. Oh, so you want to know what happened in 2001? Friends, 2001 is a year when I completed my graduation. I went to Ahmedabad to get admission in a university. But unfortunately, I could not get admission in a university. Then anyhow I wanted to stay in Ahmedabad, but without money, how can I survive? How could I survive myself? So I started looking for a job. Again, I fought a losing battle to find out a part-time job also. And then just thinking about my relatives and friends, they would help me in bad situation, but nobody helped me. And friends, sometimes I did not have enough money in my pocket to have my dinner also. So I used to go to bed without food. Only water was included in my dinner. So in 4 months I was totally disappointed. And I just started thinking about committing a suicide. And one day I wrote a stupid suicide note in my diary. And I started talking with myself. Oh Prakash, today is the last day for you. Tomorrow you will be no more. So I asked many questions, but I did not get answer. But last I asked one question to myself. Why? Your life is full of problems, Prakash. Who is responsible for that? What kind of mistakes you have made in your life? Then I got one answer. Prakash, you have a tendency to expect help from others. So that's why you are facing a problem. That's why your life is full of sadness. And friends, I wrote 3 rules in my diary. First, I will never expect anything. I never expect anything from anybody. You want help? So now from today start helping other people and without any expectation. And last, do right things in your life. And friends, I just cancelled my stupid suicide plan and I started applying these 3 rules in my life. And I got one conclusion on that day. The more you expect, the less you will get. And the less you expect, the more you will get. And after that, I have started helping others without any expectation. So people help me a lot. And really, they love me, they respect me, they help me. And that's why you can see a smile on my face all the time. And this is the secret of my happiness. You can also apply these all rules to be happy. Thank you.